I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching the emoji panel immediately. Press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon while your cursor is in a text field. You need a recent Windows 10 build and a focused editable app, mail, chat, or document so the panel can paste. Once it opens, notice categories across the top and the recent list. This gives you quick access. Make sure your keyboard layout matches expected shortcuts because alternate layouts can change behavior, and that's why you confirm settings first. Now you search and pick efficiently. Type a keyword at the top to filter results because that speeds selection in long lists. Use the arrow keys and enter if you prefer keyboard workflow. Click if you need precision. For people emoji, pick a skin tone modifier after selecting the base character so you control appearance. Once you add multiple emoji, they paste as a sequence. Make sure spacing and order match your intent before sending or saving the text. Finish by inserting and verifying appearance. Click Insert or simply type Enter after selecting emoji, then inspect how the app renders them because fonts and app types affect color and form. If you need customization, add zero-width joiners or modifiers in advanced editors for combined glyphs. Once done, save or send your message. If the panel won't open, reboot or reassign shortcuts, confirm Windows build and language layout, and make sure conflicting utilities aren't intercepting the keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.